Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete all of your TikTok videos at once. So for that we just have to go on our TikTok app, of course. Then you have to go on your profile, and then from here the only way to delete videos from your TikTok account and not your account is by clicking on your video, then click on those three dots, and then from here you have to swipe and click on the delete button and again delete. So if you want to delete all your TikToks at once, you have to delete your account. Unfortunately, there is no way to delete all your TikTok videos at once. And if you delete your TikTok account, all of your videos will be deleted as well. And if you have just a few followers like I do, you can go ahead and delete your account. And if you have many followers, that's unfortunate. So that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.